I got these comments on my previous videos asking how to create AI videos while keeping the facial expressions according to the script and keeping the character consistent across the scene. So today I am going to show you how you can create Hollywood style cinematic videos while maintaining the facial character and with different camera angles with multiple shots. And I will also share my AI director prompt, which was used to create the prompts for all the videos I am generating. So before we dive in, watch these clips and I will show you exactly how you can create them. Alright, the tool I am using is called Higgsfield Cinema Studio, and you can use this tool to create cinematic style professional content. You can choose different camera options, different lens options, and even different focal length. And you can use these to create different types of shot, wide angle shot, narrow shots. And these cameras are not just any camera. These are going to give you a real feel of Hollywood style movie. In just one place, you can create images, you can create videos, and you can create shots from multiple angles just like this. You see the detailing? There is something broken in the suit like this here, and the same detail is present in this different angle. Now I'm going to show you exact process of creating these high quality videos. You just need to use this LLM director rulebook that I'm going to share with you. Just paste this script to any large language model, be it ChatGPT, Claude. It will tell you exactly what it can do. You just need to pass a brief clip idea and it is going to generate step-by-step prompt that you can use to create it. So let's start. Now I just asked it to create a 30-second clip of Pirates of the Caribbean involving Jack Sparrow and Barbossa, shot on some beach, need to have some dialogues as well. And it is giving me a step-by-step guide on how you can create different shots with what cameras, what lenses, what focal length. So let's go ahead and try this. So now in our first shot, we'll use IMAX film camera to create image with this prompt. Let's make sure image is selected. Now go here and paste this prompt. We need to use IMAX film camera with Panavision C series and 14mm focal length. Where are you, IMAX film camera? Here is our Panavision C series and 14mm focal length. Now hit generate. Our job is in queue. It created this image, looks good to me. Now let's see our second step. In this step, we need to create the video while using the start reference of the first image and this camera movement. Let's copy this prompt, go back and click here for start frame. And it is going to set the start frame in this video. Now paste your prompt here, and for movement, we'll choose dolly in and hit generate. Here is our first 5-second video that was generated. Now let's move to the next step. Shot 2 is Jack entering the scene. Let's copy the image prompt, head back to image, paste this prompt. For the camera, lens and focal length, it's Arri Alexa 35, Coke S4 and 24mm. Here is Arri Alexa 35, Coke S4 and 24mm. Hit generate. This is the image it generated. I did not even give any reference image for Jack Sparrow. Let's move to our next step 2B. It is giving us a video prompt with start reference of the image that we created in shot 2A and camera movement handled. The shot 2A is this exact image that we just generated. Now choose this as the start frame. It's going to redirect you to the video page. Now paste this prompt and choose the movement of handheld and generate. We got our video created. Let's see.
Now this looks like the perfect place for a pleasant negotiation.
Okay, audio did not match Jack Sparrow's voice, but movement definitely did. Let's move to the next step where we are going to reveal Barbossa. Copy the image prompt, go to image section, paste your prompt. Let's choose the camera. Again, same camera with different lens and different focal length. 50 G is ultra prime. Okay, 50 G is ultra prime, hit generate. Now this is the Barbossa image it generated. Let's see the next step. We need to create the video with the start reference of the Barbossa and camera movement static. Let's use this as a start frame and paste your prompt. Movement was static, hit generate. Now let's see what video it generated.
Sparrow, I was hoping the sea had finally swallowed you.
You saw the facial expression, it was exactly here defined in the prompt. We'll use the reference image of the first image that we created for Jack Sparrow with Coke S4 and 50mm. Go to image section, paste this prompt, Coke S4, Coke S4. Here is Coke S4 and 50mm, hit generate. Okay, my bad guys, I did not use the reference image. Use this image reference and click generate. You see we are creating two at the same time. So here is the difference with image reference and without image reference. Since Jack Sparrow is a prominent character, it is going to create almost similar image, but you see the background, if you give the reference image, it is going to have that for the shot. Okay, for our next step, this is the video prompt. We'll use this image that we just created as start frame and have this prompt. We'll use the movement. I don't see push in, so I'll just use zoom in. I think it's similar. Hit generate.
Ah, Hector, you know me. Difficult to kill. Much more difficult to get rid of.
Okay, that was really good. Next step was the standoff. Okay, in this scene, I guess both Jack Sparrow and Barbossa are going to be there. So we'll use the reference image of both of them from 4A and 3A. So let's go to images. 4A we used this, we'll use this image reference, and 3A we used this image reference. Okay, let's change our prompt. And the camera Sony Venice, Panavision C series and 24mm. We have Panavision C series and 24mm focal length. Let's generate. This is the image it created. Yeah, I like this rays shining over the camera. Now time for our video. We'll use the 5A as the start reference. We will orbit around, and this is the video prompt. We'll use it as a start frame. Remove the previous prompt, add the new prompt. Movement is orbit around, and hit generate. By the way, you also have option for slow-mo and audio on off. Then for video duration, you can use 5 or 10 seconds. While it is generating the video, let's go back and create the image for our next scene. So this is the prompt. Go to image, add this prompt. What is this reference image? We'll use the one 4A for the jack. This was the 4A jack. I'll remove all the previous references. Here is jack. Camera is Sony Venice, Hawk-V light and 50mm. Sony Venice is selected, 50mm and Hawk-V light. Here is our Hawk-V light and click generate. Okay, video from shot 5 is generated. Let's see how it looks.
This ends tonight.
This is the image it created for the 6th shot. Now let's use as the start frame and copy our video prompt. Paste it here with the camera movement. Pan right. Okay, pan right. Where are you? Pan right. Yep. And hit generate. Okay, our last shot is created. Now let's see.
Careful, mate. The tide has a habit of changing. Careful.
Pretty good. Okay, now let's download all these 6 shots. Once the download is finished, open your favorite video editing app. I'm using iMovies. Click on import. Let's import all these 6 shots and arrange it onto our timeline in and 6th. Okay, cool.
Now this looks like the perfect place for a pleasant negotiation. Sparrow, I was hoping the sea had finally swallowed you. Ah, Hector, you know me. Difficult to kill. Much more difficult to get rid of. This ends tonight. Careful, mate. The tide has a habit of changing.
Okay, this was exactly 30-second shot. It looked like a real movie. Tell me in the comments below if it looked like a real movie. I know there are some considerations on the audio, but you can use voiceovers to remove those limitations as well. This is how you can create Hollywood style movie videos with just one tool. No switching between different tools like Nano Banana, VO. You can just use everything right here in the Higgsfield. They also have some sale going on for Christmas, so go ahead, grab it. If you are a creator, you are going to love it. Also, I am giving away the complete director rulebook prompt, link in the description below. So go ahead, use it, create your own cinematic videos and tell me what you created. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more AI related content and stay ahead of the crowd. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.